Much better. Are you feel me?
Mm-hmm.
The mix help. Good.
Niggas plotting on me to make a play. Let's pray. Dear Father, I don't know what I'ma do to these niggas that's watching on. Forgive me, Lord, for anybody that I body and put in a mold. What's beef? Beef is 150 niggas on the street, waiting for your ass to go home. What's beef? Beef is when you try to fuck your connect. Now they want your head for a check, nigga. Tell me what's beef? Beef is when them niggas on the corner watching me. Beef is when them bad bitches talking in the streets. Beef is when a nigga owe you money and he lying, he gon' pay you next week. What's beef? Beef is when that nigga come up short and claim some niggas robbed his ass for it. Ha ha, what's beef? Beef is when your baby call a fed, cause you done buy that bitch no Birkin bag. Nigga, what's rolling with some killers, rolling with some hitters, rolling with some niggas. You the one they bout to blast. I smoke with the rest of them, shot at the best of them. Fuck bitches up north, I'm the best of them. It's all about the money for sure, nigga, of course. I ain't worked this hard for no motherfucking loss. I walked up in this bitch smelling like the auto roll. You ain't got no heart to fuck with anybody more. The last nigga I let hold some, stole some. I gave my homie 10 stacks, told him go get him. He ran up in your house, hid under the couch, and when you got comfortable, he put his gun in your mouth. What's beef? Beef is when the streets is never sleep, and niggas catch a bucket in a Jeep. Cold range, what's beef? Beef is when you die before you need to, nigga, cause the game ain't really need you.
Oh, so I was crazy.
Man, this shit crazy, today. Touch this shit. You can't touch this shit. You can't touch this shit, my bitch. You can't touch this shit, my rolling. You can't touch this shit, my money. You can't touch this shit, my rolling. You can't touch this shit. You can't touch it. You can't touch this shit. You can't touch this shit. I got a list on my mind of shit you can't put your hands on. My bitch on my money, get your sneaky ass cap blown. Been about mine since a nigga first rap song. Hood ass nigga, white neighbors, I ain't got a favorite. How you living, nigga? Money ain't an object. Take a picture, nigga. Matter of fact, give it to your bitch.